Good evening traders, welcome to 200forexclips.com. I am here with the final analysis of 23rd of May 2019. Okay guys, first of all, if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please do subscribe it, and also do not forget to subscribe to press the notification button so that you can get the forex trading updates from my side. Okay, now let's move ahead towards the today's analysis. So let's get started with EURUSD. This is the signals report that I have sent to the subscribers in the morning, and EURUSD with a bullish expectation from 111434 and 111638 was the target price. And guys, you can see a big upward trend on EURUSD, and it has even went beyond the barriers of the target price. So I congratulate all those traders who have taken the buy positions today on EURUSD. They must have collected a massive profit. Okay, now let's talk about the second signal of the day, which is New Zealand USD. And New Zealand USD with a bullish expectation from 064948 and 065160 is the target price. And guys, you can see a very good upward trend on New Zealand USD. It has taken a smaller U-turn, and finally New Zealand USD has moved massively up, and I congratulate all those traders who have taken the buy positions because they must have collected a very decent profit. And the third signal that hit consecutively is Great Britain Pound USD with a bullish expectation from 126225 and 127049 is the target price. However, the target price is not met, but overall Great Britain Pound USD has moved up near to the target price. So this was a very good signal from my side, and hopefully you all people have traded it in a very successful manner. Okay guys, we have seen a big drop on USDJPY. This is the fourth consecutive signal that hit as per the signals report. USDJPY with a bearish expectation from 110097 and 109371 was the target price. And guys, you can see we have a big drop on USDJPY, and finally it even went beyond the barriers of the target price. So if you have taken the sell positions today, then you must have catch up the good profit on this pair. Okay guys, yesterday I have talked about the swing trade on AUDUSD in my previous analysis yesterday, and today you can see also I have supplied the bullish signal, and this thing was also updated in my previous video yesterday, and 068762 was the bullish entry and 069045 is the target price. However guys, you can see the market breaks the level, and finally it has moved up. AUDUSD has finally went up, and that was a very good trade. Okay, now let's talk about the big drop that we have seen today on USDCHF from 100907. I have the bearish expectation, and 100696 is the target price. And guys, you can see the drop here. We have seen big drop on USDCHF. 3 candles taken the market so much down, and if you have traded USDJPY as per my recommendation, then you must have collected the profit. At last, I am going to talk about Great Britain Pound JPY, and Great Britain Pound JPY with a bearish signal from 138669. And guys, it's just on the level, but I have taken the early entry. But overall guys, it's into the bearish zone. If it continues the bearish activity like this, then it can go up to 137848. Okay guys, now let's talk about the trading system, because that's very important to let you know about the trading system, because you know that we are using the trading system also for our technical analysis. So how to use this trading system? Those subscribers who are willing to buy this trading system, let me explain. Whenever you see that the market is into the lower red boundary and it starts gaining the momentum, then you can buy the pair. And whenever you see that the market is into the top red boundary and if it starts getting the rejection, then you can sell the pair. And look, AUDUSD was down, and if the scalper provides you with the sell signal at the top red boundary, then that's a very good signal. Then you can sell the pair, and when it gives the buy signal in the form of white arrow near to the oversold levels, then you can buy the pair. Like buy signal was appeared on AUDUSD a few hours ago, and AUDUSD has moved up. Okay, similarly we can see this scenario on EURUSD. EURUSD has went down into the lower red boundary, and after that we have seen that the market has went up on EURUSD, and when it goes into the top red boundary, now you can see that the market is just getting the bearish pressure. So maybe from there the market can get the drop, and this is how we use the trading system. So guys, this is all about the today's analysis. So if you are looking to subscribe to my daily forex signal service, if you want to get these trading indicators that we have just discussed, if you want to improve your trading technique through my video lessons, or you want to request for Skype one-to-one live coaching, for all this you need to send your inquiries on info@200forexclips.com. Please like my videos, subscribe my YouTube channel, and share this analysis with other traders. Thank you for watching the video.